Look at Macon right now. Actually going to make a quick change here as I don't have the 4-panel sky view turned up, so not going to worry about that. But yeah, some scattered clouds over the region right now. It's been a very hot day, upper 90s and low triple digits with the real feel. So as mentioned before the break, it's felt like August or July these past few days, and we probably have one more like that. I mean, we've even got the spotty showers to go with it. It's a summer type day, even though fall, the first day, was over this past weekend. Yeah, but it doesn't feel like it yet. 71, that is like 7 degrees above the average for this time of year. 64 is where we should be, typically speaking, and we are, as mentioned, August, July temperatures overnight tonight. The mugginess is absolutely through the roof. I'm sure you notice that when you're outside. It feels very sticky. And that's the main thing, is that, I mean, even when it's gotten a little cooler, the mugginess has not gone away. Cold front, maybe. Maybe. The problem is this, all right? Cold front could bring us some cool conditions, but there's a tropical system coming our way. All right, it will likely be named Helene as we go through tonight or into tomorrow. Track now seems like it's trying to go a little more west. We'll see if that trend continues, but at least in terms of the latest update, the shift was to the west. And my concern with that is, here's the good, okay? The good is that if it goes west, not getting hit with the eye is fantastic, all right? We could avoid the worst of the worst. But if you're on the east side of the storm, you are in that window for those brief spin-up tornadoes. So that is going to be a potential concern. As mentioned, here is the actual track as to what we're expecting right now per the National Hurricane Center. Category 3. At landfall. That's a major hurricane. So that's 115 mile per hour sustained winds as it goes into Florida. We're likely going to still, if this track holds, that would be hurricane force winds sustained, at least as it gets into middle Georgia. So that could be absolutely devastating. So we want it to either continue to go further west or track it further southeast up through northern Florida. But that doesn't seem like it's going to be the case right now. On top of that, there's another spot to worry about further out in the eastern Atlantic. 70% chance for development over the next 7 days. So multiple things still to watch in the tropics. Until we get there, here's what we got, all right? Obviously, for today, it's been hot. It's going to be a muggy night. There will be the possibility for some fog as wind will be calm through the overnight hours. Tomorrow, partly sunny. A few spotty showers can't be ruled out. Temps will get in the mid-90s. Real feels will be in the upper 90s. A couple low triple digits can't be ruled out there, but not really too different from what we're seeing today. Wednesday is where things start to get a little more different, all right? We're going to see more clouds taking over, so it's not going to be as hot, probably upper 80s, and the wind starting to pick up as we get into the evening, all right? We are heading into Wednesday night, and we are seeing sustained winds pushing wind gusts rather, pushing 30 miles per hour. You see also how there's some showers potentially as we head into Wednesday night. These wind gusts here, the numbers on your screen, not much lower than the max of what we saw from Francine. Francine was well off to the west. If Helene were to come straight through here, some of these numbers could be pushing towards 90 plus. So just be aware. You've got to be able to get those warnings and alerts when it comes to this system if it does indeed come our way. 94 for tomorrow. We'll check out your extended forecast in 10 seconds. Your 41 NBC AccuWeather 7-day forecast is brought to you by Volume Chevrolet. So as you see, overnight Wednesday, rain beginning to move in. I don't have it at 100% right now on Thursday because of the potential shifts in the track. But if it comes through middle Georgia, yeah, we're all getting rain. We'll all get a lot of rain. Plenty of wind. The tropical storm here will say hurricane if the current forecast holds. But you know what? The weekend does look good.